In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check who shared your post on Facebook. Let's get started. This method works on iPhone, Android, and even desktop. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Then click on the option settings. Once you're over here, navigate to the option notifications. Then head over to the option More Activity About You. Make sure notifications for shares are turned on. You can enable push notification, email alerts, or even SMS so you never miss when someone shares your post. Now go back to the main Facebook screen and tap on the notifications bell icon at the bottom. Scroll through your recent notifications or tap see previous notifications. Whenever someone shares your post, it will appear here and you can simply tap on it to view who shared your content. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to see who shared your Facebook post. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.